It is 7 p.m. here in Washington, midnight in London, and we are off to the races. We have our first poll closures of the night. Now, polls have closed in 6 states, including that all-important swing state of Georgia we were just talking about. Now, voting has also ended in Indiana, Kentucky, South Carolina, Vermont, and Virginia. As you can see here, together, these states make up 60 electoral votes. A presidential candidate needs 270 votes to win the White House. Now, results for these states will be coming in throughout the night. And in some cases, over the next couple of days, we're looking to see what these results tell us. Remember, at this stage of the evening, we're looking to see how those numbers start to tick up for either Kamala Harris or for Donald Trump. We have the very first projection that we can bring to you. We are seeing now that the state of Kentucky is projected for Donald Trump. Again, the state of Kentucky projected for Donald Trump with its 8 electoral votes. This is the very first result of the evening. Now we can also bring you the state of Vermont projected for Kamala Harris with its 3 electoral votes. The letters on both sides for the Harris team, for the Trump team, now starting to take up. Let's show you what that looks like. So in the middle there, that's that number, 270. That's what they need to win. Now with those results that have just been projected, we see Donald Trump is at 8 electoral votes. Kamala Harris is at 3 electoral votes. It is, of course, very early in the evening. We know that this race has been extremely close, so we're going to see those numbers get a little bit closer and closer to each other. Now, we mentioned that critical battleground state of Georgia. Well, at this point, it is too early to project. We mentioned some of the issues that have been going on with voting there in Georgia. Indiana, this is a reliably Republican state with 11 electoral votes. At this hour, it's also too early to project. Same with South Carolina with its 9 electoral votes, also expected to go to the Republicans expected to go to Donald Trump. And then there is Virginia, not far from where we are here in Washington, D.C. It has 13 electoral votes expected to go to Kamala Harris. At this point, it is too early to project. But again, let's show you these numbers because this is so critical. They need 270 to win. Right now, they're at 8 and 3. We're going to see those numbers just fill in as the night goes on.